Hello, it's Angela and I'm here to show you some of the projects I've created for Hobbybase Club Box 16. It's an under the sea theme, I believe, and this is the first card. And just to give you a closer look, it involves the acetate dome. So basically you could make this into a shaker card if you want. However, I've just created an underwater display and used 3D foam pads. And you can get some good dimension in there if you want to layer it up quite a bit, because the dome is quite high. The mermaid is actually a die and it's just been coloured, and I've added some of the mermaid sparkles like these here to the tail using glue, just a clear drying glue, and then we've sprinkled these on top. It just gives a pretty fish scale effect. The front of the card, I've used some of the stamps in the set and just used some coloured inks and just done some repeat stamping in 3 colours, and the sentiment is have a splashing day. Now when you get the card blank, it has this piece here, the white panel, and it actually fits the card base. But what I've done is I've trimmed it down just a little bit, making sure to trim all 4 sides equally, just so I can put a little bit of metallic blue card behind. It just gives it a nice border. I think it just frames it a bit better, but you don't have to do that, of course. It's just me, just me playing. Anyway, that's the card there. Oh, you might see there's a rock. And what I've done for that is I've used the embossing folder. I don't think I've got it with, yes I have got it with me. There it is, this embossing folder here. I've embossed white card. You might not be able to see the design because what I've done then is I've heat embossed with the embossing powder. It's actually an embossing glitter. And this is, mine is salsa. Don't know if they're going to be the same selection in each box, but I think it'll probably be a glitter you'll get anyway. And it just adds some sort of, I thought it would look like a bit of rock or coral or something. So just play with that, just have fun with it. And well, that's the bubble card. Thank you for looking.